Hey guys, in this guide I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your Mac. Let's get started. Microsoft Edge is an excellent browser that allows you to sync your data across multiple devices. Here's how to install it. Start by opening a browser already installed on your Mac. By default, this will be Safari. Open Safari by clicking on its icon. In Safari, go to the address bar or a search engine and type Microsoft Edge. Look for the official Microsoft website in the results. Click on the link that says Microsoft.com or something similar. On the Microsoft Edge page, you'll see a Download Edge button at the top or in the middle of the screen. Click it, and the website will automatically detect that you're using a Mac and start downloading the installation file. Once the download starts, you'll see a file called Microsoft Edge Package in your downloads. You can check the Downloads icon in the top right of your browser or open the Downloads folder in Finder. When the download finishes, double-click the PKG file to open it. A new installer pop-up will appear. Click Continue, then choose your install location. You can leave it as the default if you're unsure. Click Install, enter your Mac security password when prompted, and click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, you can close the installer window. Finally, move the installer file to the trash to clean up. Edge should now be opened automatically. In case it doesn't, click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your Mac, Spotlight Search, and type Edge. Alternatively, open Launchpad and locate Edge. Click the Edge icon to launch it. From here, you can sign in to your Microsoft account to sync bookmarks and settings. If you don't want to sign in, click Start Without Your Data. Next, click Confirm and Continue. You can choose to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser or skip this step. I will skip it in this example. On the Import Your Data for Easy Browsing screen, click Skip again. Once everything is set, click Start to finish. And that's it. Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.